Hello students, welcome to Komal classes. Today we are going to discuss about the IPv4 address, which is taken the most important chapter in a computer network. So we start with the important slide here. So in a IPv4 address, basically the IPv4 that stands for Internet Protocol version 4 addresses, and this is contains the 32-bit address. And why we use the IPv4 addresses? Because the IPv4 addresses is used to in a TCP/IP protocol to identify the connection of each device to the internet, and it is also called as the internet address or IP address. And the IPv address is contained 32-bit address. This address can be uniquely identified because each and every machine has its own IP address, and the IPv4 address are unique. In the same manner, each address defines one and only one. If we want to connection of the internet, if we want to connect two connections to the internet via our two networks, so it has two IPv4 networks, IPv4 address. And suppose it is n networks, so there are we used to n IPv4 address are there. And always the IPv4 address is a presented by the 2 key power, and this 32-bit address is used to donate the 2 key power 32 addresses. So now what the address space? This basically field denotes a protocol like IPv4 that defines the addresses as an address space, and this address space is said to be a, what is the said to be a address space? The total number of address issued by the protocol, because each and every machines can use the phenomena of protocol, and if the protocol uses b bits to define an address, the address space becomes 2 key power b, and for the IPv4 address it has to be a 2 key power 32, because the 32 bit is the address of IPv4, and the overall address of the address space becomes 4,029 crores 49,7 and this 296. So this is the digit of the total address spaces. And now how we denote the IPv4 address? The basic criteria is that to be a notation of IPv4 address, and this notation can be categorized into a three fields. First one is your binary notation, and the binary notation, as you know, the binary notation is to be denoted as the base of 2. The base of 2, because the base of 2 it can be on two inputs. Okay, 0 and 1. Every machine has the binary notation. It has base 2, 0 and 1. And the for second one is the dotted decimal notation. The base of 256. The 256, and third one is your hexadecimal notation. This called is the base system. So now we categorize in a example. For example, it categorized into a different fields, and this one is taken as the binary. So first one is how we binary use. Why we binary used here? Anyone knows? So basically in binary notation, an IPv4 address is displayed as 32 bits. So why we use the binary bit here? To make address more readable. Okay, more readable, and one or more spaces are usually inserted between each octet. That is called to be as 8-bit, and each octet is often referred to as byte. To make IPv4 address more compact and easier to read, we use the decimal dotted notation. Here, the decimal dotted notation 128.11.3.31. It is the base of, as we know, the 256, which have the only 8 bits, and 8 bits, the range of these 8 bits from the 0 to 255. And the third one is your hexadecimal. Basically, each hexadecimal digit is equivalent for the to the 4 bits, and this means that every IPv4 address has 8 hexadecimal digits. So, in a network programming, this specifies the IPv4 address. So, we wind up the lesson right now, and important write down the important note about the IPv4 address is that a 32-bit IPv4 address is also hierarchical but divided into a two parts. First one is your address called prefix that defines the network, and the second part of the address is called as the suffix that defines the node. So in a next lesson we talk about these topics. Then till then, bye bye. If you not subscribe me until, so go on my subscribe button and please subscribe my channel, like and share with the friends. So thank you for watching me. Have a good day ahead. Bye.